Good afternoon, MMTs. It's a very, very good day again. And this earnings season so far, my friends, have paid us so much money. And the January effect, the volatility that the lead trader, Mario at livetradingnews.com, one of the things that we're going to talk about is the equities with huge margin, meaning that you're going to be able to get your trading capital for your options, your Forex, and of course your equity stock side. So it's very important that everyone understands that trade equities, you can trade them now with huge margin. They're going to give you buying power. That's what they're going to do. Yes, Live Trading News, Mario's the lead market maker. And the market maker firm in options and stocks, okay? And of course, the Forex, for those who like to trade currency as well. One of the things that we're going to talk about today was an extraordinary day. And there's lots of live trading videos and everything you would want to see. It's all right here. And there's a lot of other news, you know, so just a one-stop shop and everything is there for you. So here's what we're going to do now. We're going to talk about Green Mountain Copy. And then we're going to talk about why the earnings season has paid us more money in the month of January. And now, guess what? It is February 4th at 4:01 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. What I would like to bring to everybody's attention is about their Green Mountain Copy. Yes, they've had a big run, and it started in 2013, and it hadn't looked back. And the problem is their revenues are off big time, and therefore Green Mountain Copy got slaughtered, okay, because this is what happened. So I'll give you the information right here. It's printing at 111, so that bottom was 110. So the closing price was 126, $5.7 range. Guess what? The previous day's close was 126, 6.1 million shares. The bid and the ask is right here at 111. So we went crashing down in after hours. And one of the things that we are expert, earnings. Is it going to make the quarter or not? One thing that you can do is you can join the Live Trading News seminar, and you can get all kinds of benefits with Live Trading News, and we're happy to present them to you. One of the things that we're going to highlight is what the earnings were. They were seeing positive price increases in packages with the customer, but tough to see how far that can expand, and this is part of the problem. Green Mountain Coffee expects growth to accelerate in the second half of 2015. Both brewers and cup sales increasing. Sees the most meaningful growth in Q4. So they're talking about that. They expect 2015 225 to 325 million, cap investment of 425 to 475 million. 2015 will be below long-term guidance. I'm going to repeat that. Below long-term guidance, my friends. Affirms long-term growth guidance. So basically, that is the report so far that we can look at. We already knew that this Green Mountain Coffee over the last couple of years was definitely going to have a problem. So 126 down to 110. We will be shorting this stock tomorrow morning. We already own the put options on Green Mountain Coffee. We're going to feature our position. We have the 220 2015. This is a 125 put options in Green Mountain Coffee. Now, I'm going to let everybody know that they closed at $6, right? But here's your spread. From 595, that high over here was 9.10. But not only that, there was 465 volume. We populated most of that volume. The live trading news lead market maker, Mr. Marciano, he knew exactly what he was doing with all of his traders in live trading news, all their traders. We bought those. I do also want to tell everybody that when you're buying put options, you have to buy them before the report. Here is another one that's a very big home run. We also bought the 120, 2015. Now, just take a look here. 395. The low was 445. So they had gapped up and there was a $2 range, and the high of the day was 651 and the low was 445. Now, let me show you the following. This right here is a 120 put. It's a call and put chart. This is the put chart. And when we were buying them before the report, we were buying down here. Now, 99.95% of the people who trade options have never even seen a call or put chart, let alone know what the equity is doing and what is the outcome with the equity that's also going to give you your end result in these options. And you can see from $2 to $6.45. Now that I've showed you that, let's also take a look at the following. I just want to make sure that everybody understands that these particular put options will pay a significant amount of money. And once again, they could steal some of the premium out. We know exactly what they like to do. And another one that I would like to share with you is the, once again, here is the 120 put. And I'm also going to go down here to the 115 put option. Now, these were priced to perfection, and they were. And tomorrow morning, we are going to get our entries on Green Mountain Coffee put options and whatnot. I'm also going to show what the 125 call that is going to get killed. They were $15 up here now, and now they're $5.35. And now, when you take a look at the big drop from 126 down to 110, there's been a very significant change. And I'm just covering these with everybody. I want to show everybody the $120 call monthly. There isn't very much open interest there. The biggest day volume that we had for the calls was the 125 right here. This was the one right here. I'm going to show it to you on the call side. Here it is, people, to our MMTs. Look at 1,343. Now, with our market maker division and the options, we are definitely a market maker in options. This is not a day trading thing in options. This is not what you would do or what you've looked at ever. No, I'm sorry. This is totally 100% different. And you have to understand where that stock is going to go in that after hours market. So there's going to be a big, big upset for the bull, unfortunately. Here is another one that we have, 318 contracts. You can clearly see it's a monthly. These are going to pay big time, and they were doing exceptionally well going into that after hours earnings report, and Green Mountain Coffee exploded. So basically, I've gone over with our new MMTs, the call and the puts. Now, here's the following. LiveTradingNews.com. Here is your application. Fill it out now, please, and get started right away. When you go to Live Trading News, you're going to click Open an Account. That's the first thing you're going to do. After you do that, you fill in the sign-up form, and you can read everything. You can read about how much money you're going to get. If you have a $10,000 account, you're going to get $200,000 buying power. And you're going to be regulated by me, and we'll be watching you, and when you need help, we'll be happy to tell you. So you got lots of open an account buttons here, and to enroll, you just simply call this phone number right here, and you take the time to get into the trial, and after the 1 day trial, then we're going to make sure that you can go a full 5 day trial that will be exceptionally eye-opening, and yes, you can make some money with this for that time period, and yes, you can go ahead and sign up. It says right here, finance your equity trading. Click on finance your equity trading, and what you get once again is the page that explains the kind of base money you're going to get. It just depends. People with no experience, you're welcome big time. Why do I say that? Because you will do what we tell you to do the order, and you will do exceptionally well. Meaning that that's all you're going to know, and our market maker division is going to give that to you. If people do not understand the 25-20 day trading rule, which you will, if your account is below 25,000, you're restricted to cash. And not only that, you can only do 3 intraday trades in a week. And if you do more than that, you're restricted to cash. So, we are here for you, and we would enjoy having you. And you deserve to make a lot of money in the stock market. Equity, finance your trading, go ahead and do that. Once again, I'm going to show the live trading news. That's a big short. We have made a lot of money, and I mean a lot of money. And we have lots of live trades that you can see. What we have over here is a place that you can get as well. You can watch the videos, and you can do all kinds of things if you'd like, just to let you know, okay? So, let that be known today, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you so much.